You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish. Very useful, very common in Spanish, meaning to do something. Let's break down the pronunciation. Hacer. Okay, so you're going to have different pronunciations. The H is always going to be silent. In central Spain, in many parts of Spain, the C here before an E is going to be pronounced like a TH in English, so with your tongue between your teeth. Hacer, hacer. The stress is on the ther syllable, okay? In other parts of Spain and South America, the C here is going to be pronounced like an S, so hacer, hacer. Okay, if you're going to pronounce the Spanish R, you can always say hacer, hacer, that's fine. Or hacer or hacer is how to say to do in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.